Hi people, how are you doing? I go by the name Be Wise. Today, I want us to discuss about life and its laws. You understand? So, some of you, do you know that everything in this life has law of its own? For instance, now we have the law of nature, we have the law of wisdom, we have the law of success, even love have law. Everything in this life have its own law, and that is why you are still stuck because you are not aligned with the law of what you are doing. So, but today I'm going to tell you four laws that you need to know in this life that will help you to go far. If you know these four laws, you must go far. Yes. So stick to it, my brother. So number one law you must know in this life to excel is Murphy's law. What did he say? Murphy's law say that the more you fear something, the more likely it happen. I don't know if you understand it. Yes, it's true. The more you fear to do that thing you want to start, the more you fear to start it, the more it become a problem to you. Very, very important. Set your goal and work towards it. That is what it's trying to say. That problem that you are facing, that you are afraid of facing it, challenging it, the problem will still remain a problem to you. It will still be disturbing you every day of your life. So start now, face your problem. Number two is Kidney's law. What is Kidney's law? Kidney's law say that if you can write your problem down clearly, you have solved half of it. Yes, and it is very, very true. The problem you are facing now, if you can bring out pen and paper, sit down one place and write it down, all your problems, and recite it, by the end of that, you will be able to realize that you have the solution to half of the problem. I bet you, and if you're doubting me, just try it. So if you are having a problem that have been disturbing you, don't know how to start or to solve it, DM me, I will work with you. Thank you. Three is Gilbert law. Gilbert's law. Gilbert law say that the biggest problem at work is that people don't tell you what to do, and it is very true. Any work you are doing, people think that you know it, you know how to do it, you are perfect on it, and no one will ask whether you are facing any challenges, or is there any problem you are seeing over there, or do you need any solution or any help or any support. They believe that you know what you are doing and you will do it right. What they do is that they wait for your result to be positive, and it will be a shameful thing to you if your results didn't come out positive. So what are they trying to say? In essence is that anything you are doing or anything you want to do, make research, learn about it, make sure you are perfect on it, learn how to do it very, very well before starting it. Any business you want to start, any work you want to do, make sure you have the idea, the knowledge before venturing into it, to avoid wasting your money and your time, because no one cares if you are making profit or loss. Then the fourth one is Watson law. Watson law say that if you can put your information and intelligence first at all time, money will keep coming in. I don't know if you understand. This is very, very true. And the truth about life is that this is even the simple way to make money, honestly. If you can use the knowledge that God gave you and the information you have, if you can push it out to people that need it, you will see that those money that you have been chasing for years, you just sat down and attract them to you. Yes, and money that you attracted will give you more value, yes, than the one you have been chasing, because chasing money just get and squander, but the one you attract, before it comes in, you have already set compound on how to use it because you don't suffer to get it. Yes. So use what you have, use the knowledge, the brain, the mindset, the wisdom that God gave you for free with the information you have, and liberate yourself from that position you are. Okay, let me add this last one, this fifth one. Yes, it is very, very important. So let me say it. The last one, which is the fifth one, is Falkland's Law. What did he say? Falkland's Law says that when you don't have to make decision, don't make the decision. When you don't have to make decision, don't make the decision. Say yes. Know when to make decision and when not to make decision. That's what he's trying to say. Yes, there is some situation that you find yourself, you know that you have to live with it. Yes, any situation you find yourself, you have to allow it flow with you. You don't need to make decide how to live it. Yes, that's what he's trying to say. And be smart enough and train yourself to a point that you know what to do and when to do it, what to say and when to say it, what to start and when to stop. If you can be able to classify or place yourself among these categories, my brother, you will excel. Yes, try it and come with a testimony. Thank you. And let's not forget, stay tuned to my next video. I will be dropping about life hacks, and you definitely need it. You that is watching me, you need it. It's a must. It will help you in one way or the other. So stay tuned. Thank you.